Hi there, Miranda Alt here with Keller Williams Success Real Estate and the Miranda Alt team with your Monday market update for Monday, November 14th, 2022. Thanks for watching. A quick look at your McHenry County statistics for the last 7 days. We saw 114 new listings hit the market, only 104 go under contract, 86 closed sales, 46 price changes. We have 4 expireds and 27 on the private market. That is far, far different from where we were at this week last year. This week last year, we had 146 new listings. So we are about 30 listings short of where we were this week last year. Now, normally this is a time of year where we slow down and we hit the brakes, especially as the weather starts to get a bit cooler. We do see things slow down, but this year we are far slower than we were even last year. Last year, this week, we had 178 go under contract. This year, or this week, this year, only 104. That's like 74 homes less under contract this week, this year, than this week last year. That's a big difference. Closed sales, we had 86 this week. We had 114 this week last year. And on the private network this week last year, we had 46. Right now, we're only at 27. So we are definitely seeing that decline. These mortgage rates are not helping our situation. Now, last week, we did have mortgage rates go down significantly on Thursday after the after the inflation report came in better than it had been expected to be. But new U.S. home listings, this is according to CNBC, new U.S. home listings in the month through November 6th were down 17.5% compared to the same period a year earlier. And according to Redfin, the typical sales price was $359, was down over 8% from its $392 peak in June. So we are seeing home prices come down from the peak in June. We are seeing less homes hit the market. We're seeing a slowdown, less showings, less homes going under contract. So we are definitely seeing this big slowdown. We know that mortgage applications are way down. So the mortgage rates are going back up this week. So today, they're expected to rise again. So they went down last Thursday, but they are not going to stay down. They are going to go back up. And we do think that they'll be up through the end of this year. And then next year, we do anticipate that those will start to come down as we get new inflation reports showing that the inflation is curbing and we are in a recession currently. But those numbers should all start to recede, and the hopefully we'll get some more inventory next year. So we'll have a little bit more inventory, but we're still going to have higher interest rates as those interest rates come down as they are expected in the spring. And if we don't get some more inventory, we are going to have another crazy spring market. So that's what I see happening. I know right now is typically what we call realtor break, although it is not always. Typically between Halloween and Valentine's Day is our real slow period of the year. But we are definitely still seeing homes move. I've got 2 homes on the market because people have got to move. They just got to move still. They found another house that they want to get into. This is a less competitive buyer's market. So I'll tell you the upside of all of this is that yes, things are slowing down. Yes, the interest rates are not the most desirable. They are double what they were this time last year. So that is a tough pill to swallow. But you have to remember this is also a less competitive buyer's market. Come spring, if interest rates come down and we don't get a ton more inventory, we are going to have a very, very competitive buyer's market this spring. And as a seller, you know, if you're a seller here, you're a buyer somewhere else. So this is a good time to be getting under contract. And we're seeing homes, or we're seeing offers being accepted with a home sale contingency, which in the springtime we do not see. So if you've got to sell your home, your current home, in order to buy your next home, this is a great time to do that because we still have prices that are way higher than they were in the spring of 2020. So they might be coming down from where they were at this past spring, but prices are still holding pretty strong as they were in comparison to 2 years ago. So we still have pretty strong price increases from 2 years ago. And we have a much less competitive buyer's market. So this market, while it's definitely much slower, I know I've been telling my sellers, guys, just be patient. It's going to take a little bit longer to sell your house this time of year than it does in the spring. In the spring, your house was on the market at this time. Yes, you would have 20 offers in 2 hours. However, that house that you wanted to buy is also going to have 20 offers in 2 hours. So keep this in mind. There's a trade-off, right? You buy low, you sell low. If you buy high, you sell high. So to some extent, to some degree, this is a little bit more of a balanced market that we've seen in a while. So this is a great time to be a buyer. Get out there and get those terms that you've been wanting. Get the house that you want under contract. Get the closing date that you want. And it's much more negotiable time than it is in other areas. Okay, so I'm Miranda Alt with Keller Williams Success Real Estate with your Monday Market Update. Thanks for watching. Hope you have a great rest of your Monday. Bye.